Hello, my name's Kerry and I'm going to show you one of the latest features in Pearl Dental software. This is a way that you can capture bespoke information about your patient and actually set up a new tab in the patient record. To do this, we need to access Settings, Communication Setup and Questionnaire Templates. Select the plus button to add a new questionnaire. I'm going to call this one Social History. And I'm going to say it's a non-clinical questionnaire that is available to patients. Perhaps they'd like to fill this in if they're waiting, if the dentist is running behind on the Pearl Pad. Click to show as a patient record tab, and then here we can give the tab a name. So I'm going to stick with social history. Now we can use the customer questionnaire to add the questions in the normal way. So this one I'm going to do as a long text, and I will record this as holiday information. Let's go and add another question. Again, I'm going to go for long text, so we don't need to worry about the amount of space we've got for the patient to answer. And we'll call this family info. You can remove the required ticks if you don't want these to be compulsory questions. So this just gives you a flavour of how you can add the questions and the information that can be recorded in here. And once I've saved this, you can see that we now have a social history tab in the patient record. So what I'm going to do here is select the icon at the bottom to add the new questions in, and I can record holiday information. And I'm going to record some information about the family. Okay, once that information has been recorded, we can save the file. And you can see that has been updated. So I'm going to click on the Details tab for a minute. Simply go back to the new Social History tab, and there's the information all saved and recorded. Thanks for watching.